Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be talking about creating a sample Flutter project and seeing how debugging works in Flutter. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just creating a sample Hello World project. Now there are two ways that you can actually create that project. Either you can go to the command palette in VS Code by doing Ctrl+Shift+P and using the Flutter new project button here, and the second way to create a new Flutter app is just going into the command prompt and just typing Flutter create and the project name. So I'll just create a folder called projects and I'll just create a Flutter project in my projects folder just via command prompt. There we go, and now it's actually done creating the project, and now I can simply open that folder within my VS Code. And there we have the Flutter project imported. Now it's mentioning to use the recommended setting for VS Code for Dart and Flutter, and I just say yes. And that's fine. All I do is press F5. It'll ask me to select the environment and I just select Dart and Flutter. If you don't see any emulators appearing in this list, you can either create an Android emulator by clicking this button, or you can open Android Studio to create a new emulator. If you do use VS Code to create an emulator, it will actually create an emulator without a skin, and that's why I prefer using Android Studio to actually create emulators. So I have my Android Studio installed over here, and let me just launch it. And once it's started, you just go to Tools and you go to AVD Manager. And as you can see, I have a couple of emulators available over here, but if you don't have anything, you can just go to and create a virtual device and select the type of device that you want to create. As an example, I can just select Pixel 2 and go next, and then you select the image that you want to apply on it and then go next, and then just name the emulator and just go finish. So that will create an emulator available over here. So now when you launch your app using F5, you will actually see the emulator appearing over here. So I'm going to just select the Pixel 3 API 30. And what this will do is it will launch the emulator and it will launch the Flutter app that I have just created. And while the app is still launching in debug mode, if I run Flutter Doctor again, you will see that it's now actually connected to the emulator. It's probably taking more time because this is the first time it's actually running the Gradle task, and that's where it will start downloading all the dependencies. So it's installing all the dependencies and preparing the Android SDK. And now you can see that the application is actually launched in my emulator in debug mode. So the next thing I want to show you is actually setting up a breakpoint in my application and actually seeing how debugging actually is working. So I'll just move my VS Code on one side and have my emulator available on this side, and I will show you. So in my main.dart, if I, for example, set up a breakpoint in here, so basically this sample app, all it does is increments the counter as soon as this action button is pressed. So if I set a breakpoint over there, and as soon as I click that, and you can see that it's actually now hitting this breakpoint. So that's how your debugging will work. So simply you just need to press F5 to launch your Flutter app in debug mode and make sure you have selected an emulator. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video, and see you next time.